thank you to the Express Pharma team for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And I welcome all the pharma friends and the suppliers to this gathering. As explained, I am Dr. Lal Krishna, head of the Visakha Pharma. Earlier it is called Ramki Pharma, and we have one more name, that is Jawaharlal Nehru Pharma. Jawaharlal Nehru Pharma is the park name, and Visakha Pharma is the developer name. It's a JV project between the government of Andhra Pradesh and the group of companies, Ramki group of companies. This is the leadership team we have in our company. Like any other company, we also have the vision, and the value systems. So we want to make our JNPs as the world destination for pharma manufacturing. As I already explained, this is a government of AP initiative for developing the pharma estate, both the special economic zone and the domestic area, spread in 2,143 acres. We attracted more than 100 pharma companies, and around 85 companies are in operation. We attracted more than 25,000 crores of investment, and 35,000 people are working. This is the big background of our estate. As you know that in Vizag, especially this coastal Andhra Pradesh, is manufacturing 10% of volumes in entire India. Telangana is manufacturing around 20%. So totally together is 30% of the manufacturing happening in both the states. This is as per the pharmacist reports. Okay, and there is a possibility to increase to 35% in Andhra itself if the government support and other things come. And we all know that the government of India put a target by 2030, $130 billion business. Right now we are close to around $50 billion, $55 billion business. So there is a lot of potential is there. If the government support and other supports are there, then this area, basically Vizag area, will become the major pharma hub. Investments and opportunities. So investment, we thought in the DPRC detailed project approach stage 10,000 crores. What we have got is about 25,000 crores, and we estimated 25,000 people will be working. Right, 32,000 people are working, and it can enhance another 10-15,000 people because only 85 have come. Another 15 industries have to establish because they are in the designing stage or in the construction stage. If you take top 10 pharmaceutical companies as per 2017, Pfizer is one of our clients. If you take the top 25 generic companies, 4 or 5 are in our estate. So benefit to the society. Suppose the industrial cluster is a better approach compared to the standalone. Standalone alone also do better. But the industrial cluster, especially the team-based pharma parks, will be much better one because we are all know that Industry 4.0, Pharma 4.0 is picking up very well, and the government of India also setting up the stage for the industrial parks. There are 4,400 parks are there, around 19 are in the category of pharma parks, 176 parks are in private parks. So everything is doing well, and the government of India set up the 4-pillar concept for the industrial parks. One is the external infrastructure. Second one is internal infrastructure, third one is environment management, fourth one is the business support. So all these things in pharmaceutical we are doing that. That's little in the business support, remaining all are doing very good, and this is one of the successful pharma park in entire Asia itself. If you take the site selection and advantage, is this the national highway is about 2 kilometers and Vizag airport is 20 kilometers. Nearest airport is 20 kilometers, Indian Railway connectivity is 8 kilometers, water supply is 1 kilometer, and sea coast is 16 kilometers. Power plant is about 6 kilometers, and national power corridor is about 3 kilometers. There are GIZ guidelines are there to set up an industrial park. We are within the norms of those guidelines actually. Next. See, if I put the entire pharma infrastructure in 4 baskets. One is the physical infrastructure, environmental infrastructure, civil infrastructure, and social infrastructure. Physical infrastructure, this is what the investment made by this JV company with the government of AP. We spent more than 700 crores to set up this park actually for the common facilities and common amenities and other things. So 971 hectares of the industrial park, 36 kilometers of all-weather road network, 40 kilometers of effluent conveyance system, 34 kilometers of pipeline, water pipeline, 62 kilometers of power distribution, water reservoirs, cycle substations like that. Unlike other parts, if you take either in the Gujarat and other places, you have to treat your wastewater up to certain level and dispose it. Here in the pharma city, you can segregate the wastewater and send it to us. Remaining balance, we take care. You generate any kind of waste in pharma, we are there to take care. That's what the core strength of this pharma city. And the green belt is over 143 hectares, 12 MLD capacity of wastewater treatment plant with the multiple effect of operators and other things are there. Hazardous waste management, 2 lakh tons per year we can handle. Incinerator capacity 5.5 million, 20 MLD water treatment plant, 2 marine or 1 pipeline. Then civil infrastructure, medical center is there, special flight center is there, State Bank of India is available, BSNL, Exchange, Post. Whatever the utilities, amenities and other things, services are there available, is available there. It is like a mini city. So social infrastructure also, exclusive colony we are going to make it, and training and development center we already established it. We associated with the skill development center of the government of Andhra Pradesh. We trained more than 400 graduate trainees and given to the industries, and we trained about more than 4,000 people on basic facts attended for the industry employees actually. And 32,000 people are already in place, and another 10 to 15,000 people going in accommodate. The major advantage of this kind of industrial team-based park is about we have got the environmental clearance park here. So the individual industry they need to similar kind of parks if they develop in India, not only in Andhra Pradesh, other places also. So the time will be reduced. At least 2 years time because still monsoon, post-monsoon, all this environmental impact assessment has to be done by the park or in the industry if you want to set up an individual standalone company. So that saves time about 2 years and nothing but money. And I worked in pharma more than 25 years. I know what is the project cost and other things. I took the sample of the 10 acres plot size, and if you set up the pharma unit outside the pharmacy, inside the pharmacy, the project cost is coming down by around about 40% of the project cost for the 10 acre plot. So if it is more than the 10 acres, then it will be less. So this is the kind of the facility we give it, and if the government support comes, so again already there are 3 parks in the 3 states. Government of India is going to set up with the 1,000 crores common facility center support for the establishment of the common facility center. Government is yet to declare that. I was part of that committee, and the ranking systems, everything is over, and the government is deciding in soon. I would have told. Innovation Park. So we have done something on the pharma city itself, but we want to make the cheaper medicines for the global community. What we can do it. So for that, we want to make an innovation center from innovation incubation center. So there will be common facilities will be there. So the scientists or the marketing people, who whatever the capacity we have, or the investors, we can come into the park, innovation park, and explore your the potential. Suppose you are an R&D scientist, remaining other things we link it up. Suppose the manufacturing and other things are there, we'll establish all the manufacturing units and other things so that you can do the research and manufacture it and sell it in your name. So that kind of facility we are going to set up with 1,500 crores. So first of its kind in the world itself, because in US also there are this kind of theme parks are there, theme kind of innovation parks are there, but not in one place. We have to linkage it with the several places so that we can make one. But here the first time in the world we are planning to do that. So apart from that, we are going to set up the advanced analytical research laboratory for the entire pharmacy. So we want to do the pharmaceutical analytical lab, process product validation lab, raw material testing, standardization laboratory. And this. Why we are doing it? Because in India we all know that around 30 to 35% is the costlier of medicines compared to China. So the basic thing is the common facilities, common utilities are much bigger and much wider in the China. Suppose you take the steel, you take this nitrogen, you take the power, you take the water. Whatever is there, it's a common facility is there, so the prices is very less. So in India, it is a standalone companies that are doing it. So the prices are including the testing. If the common testing center is there, so the prices will come down drastically. That's what we feel. So we are setting that kind of thing. This is the concept is similar to the Ramoji Film City. We have a concept, we go to the Ramoji Film City, we make a film and edit it and display. The similar kind of things we want to do it here. So the R&D labs, then the IPR, API, the formulation center, this kind of all people are experts in this and we not explain all the things. So we are planning to this kind of the total innovation part. Can you erase this issue, please? It is not working. Before. This one. These are the proposed facilities in the including this one, whatever we expanded, and setting up the R&D lab, Q lab, and the formulation development, API development, all the things we want to do in one place. And the benefit of the R&D scientists and marketing associates, the investors, and there are three business models out there. Either we can easily do it for this one, or we can make it we can have the partnership and do it. That kind of business models we are working on that. Next. These already basically established. We have established 10 labs. Normally R&D means only if you can do the research and development, there is no manufacturing. But here I brought the manufacturing lessons. 10 kilo of any molecule you can manufacture per month and sell it. These are kind of the license we brought it, and there are already 5 companies are operating there, especially first generation companies that are there. There is a few groups. There is the instrumentation lab, there is the wet lab. The success story consistent equipment made during the year 2004, operation started during the 2008-9. As on today, land of 86% that was working and 25% investment in profit. Occupants are from the innovators, generic companies, intermediates, multinational companies, for generation. We have given the more emphasis on the first generation because the good ecosystem will be there. Whatever the multinational companies they can manufacture for their international products in smaller companies. And there's a cascading effect in India, so we can reduce the operation cost in other things. That is one part. Another thing is that cutting standards are in there. The liquid oxygen and liquid nitrogen generators are there. Then flavors and fragrance companies are there. And basic chemicals manufacturers are there. So all these things put together, the manufacturing cost will be coming down. And this kind of parts definitely give the growth to the entire nation and definitely will achieve the $130 billion business as the government of India says. Thank you.